Mule ESB, now known as MuleSoft Anypoint Platform, is a widely used integration platform that enables organizations to connect applications, data, and devices across different systems. Here are some key details about Mule ESB. 1. Architecture. Mule ESB follows a lightweight, scalable, and modular architecture. It is based on the concept of an enterprise service bus, which acts as a middleware layer facilitating communication and integration between various applications and services. 2. Integration capabilities. Mule ESB provides a wide range of integration capabilities, including data integration, application integration, and API management. It supports a variety of integration patterns, such as message routing, data transformation, and protocol mediation. 3. Connectors and adapters. Mule ESB offers a vast library of pre-built connectors and adapters that allow seamless integration with popular applications, systems, and protocols. These connectors enable Mule ESB to connect with databases, enterprise systems, such as SAP and Salesforce, messaging systems, such as JMS and AMQP, cloud services, such as AWS and Azure, and more. 4. Anypoint Studio. Anypoint Studio is the graphical development environment provided by MuleSoft for designing, building, and testing integration flows. It offers a drag-and-drop interface for configuring connectors, transformations, and routing logic, making it easier for developers to create integration flows without extensive coding. 5. API-led connectivity. Mule ESB promotes the concept of API-led connectivity, which emphasizes the use of well-defined APIs to connect and expose services. It enables organizations to create reusable APIs, manage their lifecycle, and enforce policies for security, scalability, and governance. 6. Anypoint Exchange. Anypoint Exchange is a repository of pre-built integration assets, such as connectors, templates, and examples, which can be shared and reused across projects. It helps accelerate development by providing a library of resources that developers can leverage. 7. Management and monitoring. Mule ESB offers comprehensive management and monitoring capabilities through Anypoint Runtime Manager. It allows administrators to monitor integration flows, track performance metrics, manage deployments, and troubleshoot issues in real time. MuleSoft Anypoint Platform also includes additional components, such as Anypoint API Manager for API governance, Anypoint Design Center for designing APIs, and Anypoint Exchange for collaboration and sharing of integration assets. Please note that MuleSoft may have introduced new features and updates to the platform since my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. I recommend visiting the MuleSoft website or contacting MuleSoft directly for the most up-to-date information on Mule ESB, now known as MuleSoft Anypoint Platform.